Hello everyone, join me as I take on the challenge of implementing the ultimate productivity system and see if I can actually get more done in just 1 week. Having a solid productivity system in place is crucial for maximizing efficiency in today's fast-paced world. With so many tasks to complete and deadlines to meet, it's easy to get overwhelmed and feel like you're not getting enough done. But what if I told you that with the right system, you can boost your productivity and achieve more in less time? We've all been there, stuck in a never-ending cycle of distractions, procrastination, and lack of organization. It's like trying to navigate a maze blindfolded, never really knowing where you're going or how to get there. You start the day with the best of intentions, but before you know it, hours have passed and you've accomplished nothing. It's frustrating, demotivating, and downright disappointing. Distractions are everywhere, from social media to email notifications to chatty coworkers or family members. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a good scroll through their favorite apps or websites? But the truth is, these distractions are stealing precious time and energy away from your most important tasks. Procrastination is another major productivity killer. You know the drill. Putting off tasks until the last minute, only to rush through them and end up with subpar work. Or worse, not doing them at all. It's like being stuck in a perpetual state of "I'll do it tomorrow," only to wake up the next morning and realize tomorrow has become next week. And then there's the lack of organization, the scattered notes, the forgotten appointments, the misplaced documents. It's like trying to build a house without a foundation, only to watch it crumble beneath your feet. So how do we overcome these productivity challenges and start getting more done? That's what we're going to explore in this video. One of the most effective strategies is to prioritize your tasks using the Eisenhower matrix. This simple yet powerful tool helps you categorize tasks into urgent versus important and focus on the most critical ones first. Another strategy is to use time blocking, where you schedule specific tasks for specific times of the day. This not only helps you stay on track, but also gives you a sense of control and structure. Technology can also be a huge productivity booster. From project management tools to browser extensions, there are countless apps and software designed to help you stay organized and focused. For example, you can use website blockers like Freedom or Self-Control to minimize distractions, or apps like Todoist or Trello to manage your tasks and projects. But what if I told you that there's an even more effective way to boost your productivity? A system that synthesizes all these strategies and tools into one powerful framework. It's called the Ultimate Productivity System, and I'm going to share it with you right now. The Ultimate Productivity System is based on 3 core principles: prioritization, time management, and goal setting. It's a simple yet powerful framework that helps you identify your most important tasks, allocate specific times for them, and track your progress towards your goals. And the best part, it's incredibly flexible and adaptable, so you can customize it to fit your unique needs and work style. For example, let's say you're a freelance writer working on a deadline. With the Ultimate Productivity System, you can prioritize your tasks based on urgency and importance, allocate specific times for writing and research, and track your progress towards your daily word count. You can even set reminders and notifications to ensure you stay on track and avoid distractions. I've seen this system work wonders for countless people, including myself. In just 1 week, I was able to boost my productivity by over 50% and achieve more than I ever thought possible. And I'm not the only one. People from all walks of life have used this system to achieve remarkable results. So, what's the key takeaway from today's video? It's that productivity is not just about getting more done. It's about living a more intentional, fulfilling life. By implementing the Ultimate Productivity System, you can achieve more in less time, reduce stress and anxiety, and enjoy a better work-life balance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll dive deeper into advanced productivity hacks and strategies. And if you have any productivity tips or tricks of your own, be sure to share them in the comments below.